Hi guys, how you doing? 10K. We're here to explain a little bit about the heart. Now, in every other tarot, you have a meaning. Now, our tarot is totally different because no one has these meanings. And this is a system that we worked on. We helped thousands of people change their lives. But you can't just study this tarot for 1 month. This tarot is a lifestyle, and it's an understanding of ourselves.
This tarot is not like any other deck that you've seen before. These symbols take from every single culture, religion, space, time, things that we understand as human beings. Like he said, it doesn't take just a couple times of reading and studying. This is a lifetime journey.
So what we're going to say is, when you look at the heart, you got to understand that there's all these experiences that you are having. So if you are a reader, a healer, or anything of that sort, a life coach, well, the question that we do have is, what is your experiences affecting your heart, causing you to act a certain way? Now, in this card, you can heal by understanding a couple things. Now, what am I here to do in life is the first question. What is my purpose?
The heart is love. The heart is your experiences in the past, self-love. What are you doing to nurture yourself every single day is the question.
So one of the biggest things that a lot of people have is one thing, society. And when you look at things, just because someone is talking to you and they're telling you that you're no good, or they're telling you that they don't like you, or anything else, that is just an opinion. A fact is the matter as, why would you even let that bother you? And then from there, you're going to start to see that when it does bother you, you start to affect your own body in a way through your impulses that start to harm you.
And this is universal because every single human being has a heart. Every single human being wants to be loved and accepted, which affects the heart.
So let's look at this. You have a mother, you have a father, and then people say, I'm studying my ancestral, I'm studying this, I'm studying that. Well, that's a system. This is not a system the way you think. This is more law to gradually help you move to a better understanding. One of the biggest things that a lot of healers go through, or people, are, well, this is my system and this is what I'm doing and yours isn't right. And actually, how can you measure that is really by looking at the people and seeing exactly what they are. Because most people move towards crowds of people. And they're trying to act as if they are something better than they are, but that's a role in which they're playing, which actually harms them more. So take this card and really breathe into that card. Breathe into the card right now. Find it. What is inside of you that you have been holding on to for so long that you feel scared? Right? How many times have you gone someplace and someone has told you that they did not agree with you? They don't like you. They don't like this. They don't like that. Okay, that's them. That's all it is. It's them. If you're going to allow that to affect you, you should start by clapping. See, guys, with this card, just enough to clap your hands. Clapping your hands will make you change. Clapping your hands will make you change. See that, guys? So, if you're a healer and you're doing certain things as chakras and you're saying this and saying that, well, first you need to understand what is meditation and what is a chakra. What is an understanding of what you're going to say in life, that just because so-and-so says this and practices this, well, there's a movie out that's called Diet Fiction. And when you look at that movie, they're going to tell you that the industry today is creating all these things for you to affect your heart, to build your sugar up, but all these foods in the supermarket and everything else are not giving you the nutrients that you need. Therefore, it's going to cause your body to have not enough nutrients, and all these pills and everything else that you're taking. We're not saying we want you to go to your doctor, we want you to go to this, but in reality, guys, there's so much fluff on everything that you don't know which way to go.
And you have to protect your heart, whether that is watching the foods that you eat physically, nourishing yourself spiritually, whatever that means to you, but it all comes down to self-love.
And that's a big thing, that you have to understand. My heart, it needs to be clean inside. And I cannot be affected by what I did in my past. If you are affected by what you did in your past, change your understanding, guys. You need to change your understanding. That is the biggest thing for you to grow. And all these people running around and telling people so many different things, you will see it through the people that you help, through your students. They will come out and they will say, you changed my life. They will say, you helped me live. They will say, you made me see. And that's what this heart card does. It opens you to the fullest point. And when you look at the card, and the number on this card is 48. So when you go 9, 10, 11, 12, and then you add 1 and 2 is 3, most of the time, your solar plex, emotions is affecting your heart by the way that you decipher your life. So let's all pause and everybody take a breath in and understand that these cards are needed in today's world, because the more you come on, the more you write us, each reading that we do is going to help someone else that's going through something similar, and they will heal themselves. Now, we have private readings, we have different things like that, but the ones that say, look, can you give me a reading? This is what I'm going through. This becomes an experiment in life where people start telling, we're getting these things, saying, wow, I listened to the reading and I never heard anything like this before. Of course you didn't, because this was given to us from this word called divine. And how does a human being take the divineness and teach it? It's given, and then you speak through your throat, but you're speaking from your heart where it's given. So, moment of silence. May you all be free from suffering.
Love, love, love.